Stop selling, start solving. The first secret is simple. Stop selling and start solving. People hate being sold, but they love to solve their problems. The biggest mistake I found in sales is, which I teach to people, is don't try to sell your product without even knowing who the person is. And try to identify who they are and try to find out how you can solve their problems with your product rather than pitching your product and trying to find out in what way it can benefit them. No. Try to understand where they are stuck, why they are stuck, and in what way your product can be a solution to them. By doing this, I can bet every customer will come chasing you. And this is one of my secrets of taking many business to 1000% growth in a short span of time. Secret number 2, the 3-second rule. You have only 3 seconds to impress whether a customer likes you or hates you. Most people waste their time by talking about themselves. Hey, I am so and so, I am coming from this company, my company is so big, blah, 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 all that. It's boring, right? Nobody wants to know who you are. Most of the people are concerned, everybody is concerned about themselves. In what way you're going to benefit me? That's what they're looking for. So they're not interested into who you are, more of in what way you can change me, what way you can help me. So sometimes you can use like this, what I say sometimes. Hey, I help entrepreneurs to double their income in just less than 90 days. Interesting? Yeah, so in 3 seconds they know who you are and they can pitch, you can understand your value also, because the way you speak with confidence and authority brings more sales. Remember, the first 3 seconds is to sell your benefit and not your bio. Third one, stop talking, start asking. So the biggest mistake salespeople do is they talk too much. Too much. They think that by talking more, they can impress a customer. As I said, they're not concerned about who you are. They're concerned about in what way it can benefit me. The more you talk, the customer lose interest in you. Instead, start asking about themselves. Start asking questions about themselves. As a saying, amateurs pitch, pros ask. So just ask, what's your biggest challenge right now? And see in what way your product can benefit them. The person who talks less sells more. That's what I always keep saying. Talk less, listen more. One mouth, 2 ears. Fourth secret, authority versus discounts. Many people think by giving more discounts, many people will buy and the sales will increase. You know what happens? The moment you start discounting, you're putting yourself down, you're putting your value down. Have you ever seen iPhone or Apple selling their products less on the... Have you seen them giving discounts on the first day? No, because they believe in their value and they sell more. People line up to buy Apple products on the first day. Why? Because they sell with authority. But many people have this, but other side, many people think that by giving more discount, they can attract more customers. No. Actually, people pay more when they see authority. I'm one of the costly coaches, but people understand the value and they pay me. Confidence sells more than the discounts. Secret number 5, the one-liner close. And this is one of my favorites. Here's a simple question. Would you like to solve your problem today or later? What happens? Any person will say today. Nobody wants it to be solved later. So you're pitching a question in which the customer is forced to answer today. There are some psychology questions on how to pitch to a customer. If you want to know more about this, follow me and I'll be sharing more and more tips. 90% of the sales are lost because the salesperson doesn't end up with a question by asking them this kind of questions. They present and they wish and hope the customer will call back, which never happens. And you wasted your entire time. And after some time, maybe after 1 week or 10 days, they call the customer and the customer already lost. The one-liner is very powerful because it's direct, confident, and makes the customer to commit. Clear, confident questions close more deals. Secret number 6. Why most salespeople fail? Here's the truth. Most salespeople fail because they chase money rather than value. If your only thought is how much commission can I earn from this sale, the customer can sense it. The moment the customer senses that you're pushing them just for the commission, they will withdraw themselves. And most of the people fail because they push for commissions. And I have helped many insurance salespeople to clear MDRT by teaching them the technique how to pitch the product. Yes, they made a lot of money, but by giving the value, not by focusing on the commission. When you pitch on the value, you need not to chase the customer will chase you. That's the truth. There's a simple saying, money follows value and customer follows trust. Stop chasing money and start building value. Secret number 7, the power of silence. It's the most powerful one, called silence. Most salespeople talk too much after presenting the product. Here's a trick. Ask questions, then shut up. Keep your mouth shut. Example, when you finish the presentation, ask the question, would you like to go ahead with this? Stop. No more talks. Wait for the customer to respond. And the silence will break the customer to open out to say yes or no. In majority it's yes. And there's a saying, the first person who speaks loses it. It is after the close. So if the customer speaks, he loses. In turn, he buys your product. So let's recap the 7 powerful secrets. First one, stop selling, start solving. Second one, the 3-second rule. Third one, stop talking, start asking. Fourth one, authority is greater than discounts. Fifth one, the one-liner close. Sixth one, why most salespeople fail. Seventh one, the power of silence. These are not just tips, these are game changers. If you can apply any one of them today, you're going to see a tremendous growth in your sales. Again, I keep saying, I'm an international sales coach and I do programs completely online. I helped many businesses to grow 1000% growth in a short span of time. If you are a person serious to improve your sales, my numbers are flashing here. Please do call me and I'll be there to help you out. Again, like, follow and subscribe to this channel and also share and also put your comments which one tip really was interesting for you or something an eye-opener for you. Again, Wilfred Stanley signing off from Rapid Mind Power. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day.